What's up, everybody? It's Quentin B. Smith checking in with the Millennials to Millionaires. On this channel, we show you how to invest as a millennial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your stock trading account for beginners from 0 to 100 so that you can start making some money online. I fucked it up, but let's do it anyway. All right, guys. I'm hopping onto my laptop so I can show you what is going on. If you didn't see the last video, we talked about what an investment bank is. And that's where you go to set up your actual stock trading account. In the last video, we talked about TD Ameritrade being one of those investment banks where you can set up let's just say a checking account, put your money in there so you can start using the stock market. Make sense? I use TD Ameritrade and everybody on our channel does, but here's the thing. TD Ameritrade is going to be our second step, okay? And the reason I say that is because TD Ameritrade, every time you buy a stock, it's $6.95, right? And every time you sell it, it's $6.95. So you could imagine to buy and sell, it's about $14, right? Now, if you're starting out with a $100 account, you don't want to be wasting $14 just to buy and sell something. So we'll take a look at this in one of our later videos. But the go-to when you're when you're first starting out, like in the very beginning, is definitely Robinhood. I'm going to show you Robinhood today because it is free. Okay. So I mentioned earlier in the video that you can get your first free stock. The link is in the description. I think it's the very first link. Click that, you're gonna get a free stock. And I'm talking about one of these, the big boys. You can get Apple, Twitter, Tesla, Netflix, Facebook, any of these. So click the link, it's gonna give you your very first stock. So number one, off the bat, Robinhood, you get a free stock to start. Number two, it's free to trade. You're not paying $14 every time. Does that make sense? So if you put $100 in here and you make $12, you made $12. It's not, versus TD Ameritrade, you put $100 in there, you make $12. By the time you pay the $14 fee, you lost $2. Does that make sense? So that's why I tell people to start out with Robinhood. It just makes sense to learn on this platform. It's super simple, as you can tell by the screen. This is this is my big boy balance right here. I don't use Robinhood every day. I'm in TD Ameritrade because I'm a little more versed. But I got $14, man. I'm balling. But anyway, this shows you your account balance and what it's been doing like throughout the day. I've been losing and making money. At the end of the day, I think I'm up. Yeah, I'm up 1.2%. So it gets you used to your money growing. 1.2% of $14 is, look right here, 19 cents. So it just kind of gets you used to your money moving around. Now, I mentioned investing $100 earlier. Whatever you feel comfortable doing is what you should put in here. And it's super simple. You go to deposit funds right here. And since this is a walkthrough, I'll go ahead and click it. For your deposit funds, it's going to ask you for your checking account. This is me. And how much you want to do. Boom. You can hit review and boom, it'll do it. Whatever amount you put in there is going to show right here. These on the right side are just pretty much like the go-to stocks that everybody goes to. Everybody wants an Apple stock, right? So when you click on one of these, let's do Facebook. And you can go in here and buy one of these with your money. So Facebook's $197 for one. And you can review it and boom, you have it. Now, after you get into Robinhood and you're used to your money moving up and down, that's great. Then it's going to be time, and you're used to trading, then it's going to be time to go to TD Ameritrade. And I'll do a tutorial on TD Ameritrade in our next video. So hopefully this video helped you. Make sure you click the link in the description to get your first free stock. It's free. It's free. Do it. In the meantime, follow the Millennials to Millionaires on all social networks at M2 Millionaires. If you like this video, please like it, share it. We work really hard on these videos. Comment if you have any questions. We're really good at getting to those. And subscribe. Please subscribe so that you get all the videos that we shoot about investing as a millennial. In the meantime, if you need me, I'm on all social networks at Quentin B. Smith. And until next time, peace.